welcome to my channel. Today I have a awesome, exciting new video to do, and this video has been done by pretty much a lot of YouTuber beauty influencers, but I already had the idea a few months ago. I feel like they just stole my idea, but I'm going to bleach my hair today and see how it turns out. And I have a little surprise at the end too, so you have to wait for that at the end of the video. But first, I'm going to bleach my hair and see how well it turns out. I'm using the conditioning bleach from Colorista, and they have like a wide range of different products to choose from. They have color prep to removing color to like brass correction, all kinds of things. What really interested me was conditioning bleach, which we all know that I need. My hair is ravaged. I can't wait to do it. You get a full kit in the back, so you get everything that you need. So I'm really excited. I had never gone blonde before, and it has coconut oil. Coconut is very rich in like nutrients and just all around hydration and moisturization for your hair, so it's very good for your scalp. Not the lightener. Lightener can, fray your hair and all that jazz. It's not very great, but that's the thing about lightener. So yeah, I'm going to lighten my hair today and see what happens. I'm really excited. So stick with me here. I'm going to open up the box right now and show you what you get. Really excited. And first off, I pulled out the developer. It's a 20 volume oxide mixing bottle, so the developer is already in the bottle. It's cruelty free and vegan. Hey, I didn't even notice that, but we all know how I feel about cruelty free and vegan products. So made in the USA, it's biodegradable, I believe, recycle, all that jazz. So good on them for being vegan. Not sure if any other bleaching products are vegan. Never really looked at them. I always thought they were full of chemicals, so I know it's not going to be organic, but I didn't know it was going to be vegan. I don't know. It's just a thing. You get the lightening powder. Oh, it's a packet. Oh wait, that's new. What is this? Bleach oil packet, conditioning while you lighten. So it's some sort of lightening conditioner, I believe. You pour it into the bottle here. We're doing chemistry today too, so this is new. I've never seen lightener in a liquid form like this. It's always a powder form. Very different here. Maybe this is the powder. This is a shampoo, so I'm guessing you have to shampoo your hair, which makes sense. So shampoo, and then you mix all this stuff up. This is all new to me. I've never done this much stuff for lightening my hair ever. There's so many products. And reconstructing conditioner. Usually you get a powder and you get a developer and you get some gloves and they say have fun. This is like a real kit right here. You get instructions. They show gloves. You better get some gloves in here. I'm just saying. I'm gonna be mad if they don't have gloves. I'm like, seriously? I'm gonna die. But you get a full step. This time I actually have to read the instructions because I never read them. I'm going to be honest, I hardly ever read the instructions because I've done these so many times. But they always give you these big, chunky gloves. I'm just like, I'm not a fan, but hey. I wish they were like some other companies that have like more fitted gloves, more professional style gloves. But hey, I know you're just lightening, it's just like whatever. Gotta be universal, so well, my hand's not universally that clownish big, so yeah. But anyway, we're gonna go through our handy dandy mapping bleach kit instructions here. So many things. I just feel like I need to just fold this up. Like, I don't even read all this stuff. Allergy, blah, blah, blah. Who'd care? First, I see the black conditioning packet thingy. Like I thought before, you pour this into here. So that's what I already thought already. I'm going to change my outfit and then come back and we're going to go through this all together because I don't want to ruin my outfit that I have on right now. As you can see, I changed it into a shirt that I've previously used for hair coloring and lightening. You can tell by the back, and it's something I don't really care about. I love My Chemical Romance, but my shirt has so many holes in it. I'm just like, I just need to buy a new one at this point, and I'm just gonna wear this for now. It's like something I'm like, whatever. Now I'm going to get into the hair lightening. So yeah, put on my gloves, my bulky gloves. There we go. You pour the black packet into here. So that's what we're going to do. And oh my god, I hate this stupid thing at the top. Can you just make it a twist top like some other ones? Okay, so I'm back and I cut the top off of this bottle. Junk. I hate these bottle tops, I swear to god. Should have brought the scissors out here. I'm an idiot, but yeah. I only have one option to choose from. I like this design better as a liquid because I hate the powder formulas where you make a huge mess on everything, and I know I'm smelling it. It smells like alcohol. It straight up smells like rubbing alcohol. Well, here we go. Nothing better blow up, but I like this design better. You actually get more of the product, and that's why I always like, oh, well, some of it got on the side, but it's okay. And we're pouring it into here. Then we're going to shake it up, as it says, for 1 to 2 minutes or until moisture is creamy. And then you remove the tip, but the tip's already removed. So far, I'm really liking this lightening kit a lot better than basically all the other products I've used so far. So thumbs up to color Oops. So we're mixing it all together. It smells actually pretty decent. As a lightener, you would think that it smells totally nasty, but it doesn't, which is nice. And I'm guessing these two shampoo and conditioners for the end, obviously, I believe. So this is actually pretty cool. I really like the kit. So we might be onto something here. It doesn't smell nasty. Doesn't have any like harsh chemical smells. It actually smells like a shampoo, possibly. So that's very nice. I will link this one down below. It's like a gel, actually. I've never seen that. Usually it's like a watery, clayish sort of weird mixture involved. This one is like a gel, like a hair gel. That's very interesting. I'm hoping that there will be less waste. I'm just rubbing it randomly. I don't have any fancy tools to like impress you all with, so just me. I just have myself. And I'm just going to work this through my hair. Well, my camera kind of died, but I applied all of the bleach and it says to let it sit for 45 minutes, but I'm going to give it a full hour because usually that's more effective. So I'll come back to you in an hour for the next step. The time is up and the process is complete, apparently. I'm really going to be honest, and I'm super nervous. I see some patchiness. I'm hoping that the color is just sitting on top of the hair and that when I wash my hair it'll just all wave bye-bye pretty much. And I'm just like over here kind of like, well then, I know it's a new product and so far it was like really great. I'm going to wash out the product and show you how it comes out, I guess, after washing your hair. The next step, I believe, is I have to rinse out the color with the complete shampoo, and then afterwards do the conditioner. So that's what I'm going to do right now. That's what I'm going to get into. It says if color is not your desired shade, you have to wait 3 weeks for another application. So I'm hoping this one is done and over with. I don't want to wait 3 weeks with all of this. I'm just saying, I'm going to rinse out my hair. I'm going to go inside and do all this fun stuff and come back to you with potential final results, I guess, or to show you how it came out. I'm going to come back with something. I have the reconstructing conditioner in my hair, and it says to leave it in for 10 minutes. So I washed my hair, decided to do some watering of the yard, and I'm just like looking at the mirror thinking, what happened? And okay, it's not what I thought it would be. I know my hair is black, or was black, whatever, but the whole point of lightener is to lighten it. So far this was a fail, and I'm about ready to just die, but I'm willing to admit it. I'm very dead inside. I'm not okay. Based on my shirt, I'm not okay. I'm just like, this did not go as expected, but okay. Well, this is how it turned out. Not very happy. It's like a light, weird brown, kind of like my natural color. I am not a fan. It's all patchy. Like, I try to style my hair and it's just like so feather light that I'm just like whatever. At this point, this brand, don't buy this. This is junk. If you want a good actual lightening kit, bleaching kit, go buy the L'Oreal kit. I'll link that one down below so that way you'll know what to buy. Don't buy this one. This was the only one that they had at Walmart. I should have known better. The other product that I tried, it was a hair stripping product. Somewhere on here. I don't even care anymore. That one was fine. It did something. It did help bring out the black. But usually I don't have a problem. If you've seen many of my other hair coloring videos, many other bleaching videos as well, like if you see my other videos about hair bleaching products or coloring my hair, there's hardly ever any problem. Yeah, there's patchiness, but I would be able to cover it up. I can't cover this up. Like, if you're looking for a full-on bleaching lightening kit, don't buy this one. It leaves your hair very moisturized. Like, my hair feels very nice, but it's not that blonde. It's like stripped of color. Like, it's stripped the color, you know what I mean? It's not like full-on black, but it's not blonde. So far I've never had an issue with a bleaching product in my life until now, and I'm just like, I'm done, I'm over it. Guess this will be my new hair for now. So wonderful. I don't even know why I did this. You thought I was just gonna leave it at that blonde, right? Well, you were wrong. I have this multi-tonal green that I got from Lunar Tide's hair dye, and I'll link them down below. The color is very good. I imagine if I had like super bleach blonde hair, that would be the shade I would get, but my hair is not fully blonde, so that's what I got. And I'm very upset with the bleaching kit. That stuff is garbage, complete crap. Don't even buy it. Don't even recommend it. This one I do recommend. It smells amazing. It's just like shampooing your hair. It leaves it so hydrated and soft and smooth and actually invigorated. So I really like this color. This color does the trick. It actually is like a nice hydrating conditioner with shampoo. It's like a shampoo conditioner together with like a hair color, which is nice. So I'll link them down below, not that other junk. I'll link some other great products that are bleaching kits that actually do the job for you. Thank you so much for watching my hair journey video. If you like the video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe while you're here, and don't forget to press the notification bell, and you'll be notified when I post new videos, which is every Wednesday and Saturday. So please be on the lookout for those uploads. And before I leave here today, I have to mention I'm an affiliate with Liv Beauty. Go down in the description and check out all the links down below. There's a fabulous coupon code for 10% off your very first Liv Beauty Box, so go check that link out, affiliate link down below. And also, while you're here, check out the Slay Bella coupon code. You get 15% off your purchase by using the code FOLLOWGIRL at checkout. So everything is linked down below in case I missed anything. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye everyone.
Just did a bad thing. I regret the thing